In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file download in BigCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a digital product and attach the file your customers will receive after purchase. Start in your BigCommerce control panel. From the main menu, go to Products, then choose Add a Product. This opens a blank product page where you'll enter the essentials. Give your product a clear, descriptive name and set the price you want to charge. If you're offering a free download, you can set the price to $0. Add a helpful description so shoppers know exactly what they're getting, and consider assigning categories so it's easy to find in your store. You can add an image too, so the product looks professional on your storefront. Next, change the product type to downloadable or digital. This is the key setting. Switching to a digital product automatically turns on the product files area you'll use to attach the file, and it disables shipping because nothing needs to be shipped. It also prepares your store to deliver a secure download link to the customer after they complete their order. Now locate the Product Files tab that appears in the product editor. Open it and click Upload File. Choose the file from your computer that customers should receive, like a PDF, zip archive, ebook, audio file, or any supported format your store allows. For larger or multi-file products, consider zipping everything into a single archive to make the download smoother. Use a simple file name without special characters so it's easy to identify, and keep the file size as reasonable as possible for faster downloads. If you plan to include multiple files, upload them one by one, and confirm that each file appears in the list once the upload completes. When your product details and files look good, save the product. Saving locks in your changes and makes the digital download ready for purchase if the product is visible in your store. If you're not ready to go live, you can keep the product hidden while you review everything. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you ever need to update the file, come back to the Product Files tab and upload the new version. Customers will receive the latest file on future downloads. It's also a good idea to place a small test order to confirm the download link works as expected, and that your product description matches what customers receive. That's it. You just created a downloadable product, attached the file, and saved it in BigCommerce.